Hi guys, what's up? My name is Sean Winnie. Today, alikat pag-usapan natin tong interview ni Ben Tulfo. Actually, gusto ko yung shades na rito. No? Shades niya rito. So, sa isang interview kay Ben Tulfo, sabi niya rito sa Inquirer, Ben Tulfo rejects political dynasty label as two more Tulfo aims for Senate. No? Kailan lang yan, ano? Sinabi ni, what's the name of this guy? Ni Erwin Tulfo na hindi na raw siya tatakbo for a higher position sa loob ng House of Representatives. So by now, alam naman natin na hindi totoo yun, di ba? Kaya ito, pag-uusapan natin, yung naging reason ni Ben Tulfo. Ayan. Tara, pakinggan natin si Ben Tulfo dito.
Question of dynasty. Yes, we're dynasty in terms of helping people in the media first. We broke the record. We were the first brothers, the Tulfo brothers, the four of us. I'm sorry, modesty aside, we lorded over helping people. And sabay-sabay, kaming magkakapatid. And you know us, T3. So, is that dynasty? No, it's not. We don't have any district.
Hindi ko alam kung alam ba ni Ben Tulfo kung ano ibig sabihin ng political dynasty. Pero sure ako, no? Kasi isa si Ben Tulfo sa matalino na Tulfo. But definitely, he's trying to create his own definition what political dynasty is. And isa rin siguro siya, no? Wala pa naman ako so far napapanood, sa mga tao who in the past, most probably, against a political dynasty. Okay? So ngayon, dahil tatakbo rin siya, no? Siguro, pakiramdam niya, ayon sa survey, makakapasok siya sa Magic 12. Diba? Imagine niyo take note of this. Ben Tulfo is actually comparing yung pagiging broadcaster nilang magkakapatid sa political dynasty. Yung pagiging journalist ninyo was really, no, walang bearing. Hindi mo pwedeng i-compare ang banana sa potato. Kasi, ginagawa niya, kino-compare niya yung pagiging journalist nila or broadcaster nila magkakapatid. And nobody considered them as dynasty. Pero sa batas natin, sa mismong constitution natin, meron tinatawag na political dynasty. Among all profession Bakit politics lang? Bakit related lang sa politics or politician lang ang pinoprohibit mismo ng saligang batas about sa dynasty? Diba? Ayaw niyang tanggapin o ayaw niyang i-absorb yung thought na yung pagtakbo niya at saka ni Erwin is considered political dynasty. Yung fact na lang na silang magkakamag-anak, silang magkakapamilya na sa isang tawag dito, party list is already a political dynasty. Nahiya pa kayo doon sa isang nominee nyo. Sana tinanggal nyo na lang at pinalit nyo yung mismong anak ni Raffy Tulfo na si Maricel. Andun na yung isang anak na si Raffy, di ba? Ay si Rafael. Imaginein mo ilang kayong nasa legislative na pare-pareho kayong walang alam sa paggawa ng batas? Ano nagawa ng ACT-CIS? Anong batas ang nagawa ng ACT-CIS? Anong batas ang nagawa ng anak ni Raffy Tulfo as a kongresista? Tapos papasok pa si Erwin, papasok na naman si Ben Tulfo sa Senado. Putang ina, hindi na tayo nadala. Si Raffy Tulfo ba, 3 taon na yan na nakaupo, na lang pinagagawa niyan. Bit-bitin yung issue ng RTIA papunta sa Senado. Baka yun din ang gagawin nito ni Ben Tulfo kung sakali man manalo to. Yung problema sa pitag, dadali niya sa loob ng Senado. Simula bang pumasok itong termino na to under ng itong 19 Congress? Meron ba tayong naging batas na makabuluhan? Karamihan ng batas puro kapalpakan eh. Oh. Muntik mag-anniversary yung ano. What do you call that? Yung Seafarer. Yung Magna Carta for Seafarer. Diba? Tapos papasok na naman ng isang Ben Tulfo, tapos bibigyan tayo. Hindi ka pa nga nagiging senator, Lolo Ben. Ginagawa mo ng tanga yung mga tao. Ayaw mo na lang, I mean, it is what it is, you know? Yung pagtakbo mo, yung pagtakbo rin ng isang kapatid mo, ng pamangkin mo, baka rin ng hipag mo, political dynasty ang tawag sa inyo. Diba? Totoo naman, nag-agree naman. Painggan pa, patapusin natin si Lolo Ben.
Maybe on the executive level, you can say that pag nag-gobernador ka or nag-mayor ka because you have a district. But running for Senate,
tingnan mo, hindi ka pa nga nagiging hindi ka pa nagiging lawmaker. Hindi ko alam kung ginagawa mong tanga yung mga tao o talagang hindi mo lang din alam yung mga pinagsasabi mo.
it's a national office. You cannot have dynasty. It's like saying, kasalanan ba namin kung nagguna na minahal namin ang aming propesyon sa media na pareho kami ng aming inibig, binigyan ng importansya, parang pamilya ng mga lawyers.
Sige nga, pag-connectin nyo yung pagiging nila, media personnel nila or media personality nila sa isang politiko. Sige nga.
Everybody wants to be a lawyer because the daddy was a lawyer, the mom was a lawyer. So everybody called family lawyers.
Alam mo, gusto ko marinig yung reaction dito ni Attorney Libayan eh.
Sometimes a family of doctors, family of, engineers.
So kami, family of lawyers kami dahil may ilang pinsan ako na may magkapatid akong, may pinsan ako magkapatid na lawyer. So pag naging lawyer pa isang pinsan namin, na kami, dynasty na kami. Diba? May lolo akong lawyer, may tito akong lawyer, may mga pinsan akong lawyer. So ano kami? Political dynasty na tawag sa amin.
Because of the influence of a member of the family, we decided to love the profession and respect the profession and value.
Dito mo makikita kung gaano kabobo to si Ben Tulfo.
That particular profession. How do you call that a dynasty? It's not our fault. People are supposed to pick. Now, as to the question.
Sige nga, again guys, ito yung pinapoint ko dito, no? Under sa Constitution natin, okay, I can show you that now. It says here, under the 1987 Constitution, political dynasties are prohibited, but there is a need for an enabling law to enforce this. According to the Constitution, the state shall guarantee equal access to opportunities for public service and prohibits political dynasty as may be defined by the law. But Congress has failed to pass such law over the past 37 years. Bakit? Diba? This is not a surprise since both the House of Representatives and Senate are dominated by political dynasty. It is almost impossible to convince legislators to pass a law that will make many of them ineligible to run for public office. Diba? So ngayon, babalik tayo dun sa thought na sinasabi niya. Bakit politicians lang ang pinagbabawal ng saligang batas na magkaroon ng dynasty? Simple lang ang sagot. Because as a politician, you have a power. Diba? Siguro by now, alam na natin yan, diba? Nararanasan na namin ni Atty. Libayan eh. As a politician, you have the power. Pag simpleng doktor ka ba o simpleng abogado ka, you have the same power as a politician? Hindi. Comedian man ka ba? Broadcaster ka ba? Journalist ka ba? Do you have the same power with a senator or congressman? Definitely not. Diba? So ano itong pinagsasabi ni Ben Tulfo dito? Wala ka pa sa Senado, nagpapakita ka na ng kabobohan mo. Nagpapakita ka na ng ikabubuisit ng taong bayan sa'yo. Wala kang pinagkaiba sa kapatid mong si Raffy Tulfo. Ang akala namin, ikaw yung level up version ni Raffy Tulfo. Diba? Mukha bang level up version to ni Raffy Tulfo? Hindi. Same sila ng level. Same sila ng level. Tapos ganito yung papanalo. Hindi pa ba tayo nadala sa isang Raffy Tulfo sa loob ng Senado? Gusto pa ba natin dagdagan ng another Raffy Tulfo? Ano na lang mangyayari sa Senado? Pag binatikos mo sila, sasampalan ka ng mga kaso. Diba? Pero sila itong malalakas, bumatikos. Ang sabi dito sa comment section, no to Tulfo brothers, a political family. Also referred to as a political dynasty is a family in which multiple members are involved in politics, particularly in electoral politics. No, is law, maski ano sabihin mo, dynasty is still against the Constitution. Exactly. Every dynasty member says they are not a dynasty. Hindi, siya lang nagsabi nun. Oh. Sabi ng BNB dito, Senator Raffy Tulfo, Axies Party List Erwin Tulfo, congressman ng QC ang anak. Nakaposisyon ng asawa, di yung dynasty. Apakaaga pa, Lolo Ben, para magpakita ka ng kabubuhan. Sabi ni Zoren dito, delikadesa. Sabi ni isang Edry Washington, Tulfo brothers, hell no. Sabi ni Rodel dito, kuya mag-voice actor ka na lang. No, sir. Yes, sir. With the exit of Amy Duterte in PBBM ticket, Senator Ben Tulfo, tang-inang yan. Vote wisely, yes. Sorry to say, Mr. Ben Tulfo, this is a political dynasty because you're all gunning for the same position. And if you all become senators, that would give bias and conflict of interest to us, to your judgments. Well, good luck. Let the voters decide. Yes. All right, just Tulfo justice. That's crazy. Moralidad. Diba? Oh. Dito pa lang sinusuka ka na, tinatawanan ka ng mga tao. No one is above the law. Dynasty kayo whether you like it or not. Common sense na lang. If you really love to help people follow and respect the law. Tulfo 28 ang putang ina. Anyway, guys. Hindi ko alam kung mamamangha ako o mamamangha kayo dito sa mga pinagsasabi ni Lolo Ben. Pero, I'm very disappointed, ano. I expect more from Ben Tulfo. Pero not into this manner na ganito kababa tingin niya sa botante. Ginagawa niyang tanga, ginagawa niyang bobo, aga-aga pa. Hindi ka pa... Pero maganda na rin yun. Maaga pa lang nagkakaalaman ako ng klase. Sabi ni Arsenio, kailangan ba laging naka-shades? Pero gusto ko yung shades niya. Anyway guys, again, maraming salamat sa panonood. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, at i-comment nyo na rin yung thoughts nyo tungkol dito. Mag-a-agree ba kayo kay Ben Tulfo that he is actually comparing political dynasty sa pamilya ng mga doktor, sa pamilya ng mga abogado, sa pamilya ng mga media personality gaya nila magkakapatid na Tulfo? Nakakatawa na lang, ano? Ang mga Tulfo, ang hilig gawing bobo ang mga Pilipino.